Cyber security. Cyber security involves protecting systems, networks and data from cyber threats like unauthorized access, attacks or damage. It is a critical field in the modern world due to increasing reliance on digital technologies, cloud computing and interconnected devices. Next is key components in cyber security: confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality means ensuring that the data is accessible only to authorized users. That is the cyber security. Integrity is preventing unauthorized alterations to data. And the third one is availability, ensuring that the data and systems are accessible when needed. And the next is types of cyber threats: malware, phishing, and denial of service, and man-in-the-middle attacks, zero-day exploits, and social engineering. These are the types of cyber threats. Now we can discuss about malware. Malicious software such as viruses, worms, and ransomware that disrupts or damages the system. Next is phishing. Fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information by impersonating trusted entities. Next is denial of service attacks, overloading systems to make them unavailable to users. Denial of service is also very good thing, especially in Windows also. Sometimes D drive and E drive will not be accessible. After clearing the virus and virus scanning only, after getting virus scanning only, it will be cleared. DOS will not come. That is, denial of service will not come. So all these things, when the virus protection is mastered in the cyber security. Man-in-the-middle attacks, interpreting and altering communications between two parties. Zero-day exploits, exploiting discovered vulnerabilities in software. Social engineering, manipulating people to divulge confidential information. Core cyber security practices: strong authentication, use multi-factor authentication, enforce strong password policies. This should be there. And next is second one is regular updates and patching. Update for softwares and systems to fix vulnerabilities. Maintain an inventory of assets to prioritizing patches. The patch work is most important. Certain patches will come regularly on routine basis. All these patches should be cleared. The infected files has to clear that virus with patches. And the firewall and the antivirus protection. Implement firewall to filter network traffic. Use antivirus software to detect and remove malware. And next is data encryption. Encrypt sensitive data at rest and in transit. Use secure protocols like HTTPS and VPNs. Secure protocols means hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS will be there. That will be the under VPNs. And incident response plan. Develop a plan to identify, respond to, and recover from cyber incidents. Conduct regular drills and simulations. And next point is employee training. Educate employees on recognizing phishing emails and other threats. Establish clear policies for handling sensitive data. Next point is emerging trends in cybersecurity. AI and machine learning leveraged for advanced threat detection and automated responses, and zero trust architecture emphasizes strict access control, ensuring no trust by default. Cloud security, protecting data and applications in cloud environments. Next is IoT security. IoT means Internet of Things, addressing vulnerabilities in interconnected devices. This is the information regarding cyber security. Cyber security is most important in every system. Nowadays in home-based systems also, if you are having a license in Windows and all these, it is better to purchase cyber security antivirus software. Then only it will be safe to your data and softwares. Wishing you all the best.